Hey guys, it's guacamole. Yeah guys, I'm super excited about this video. It's a collaboration video with Creative Cakes by Chidex. She actually did turn this guacamole I made into a cake, so I want you guys to head on over to her channel and show her some love, okay? So without wasting so much of your time, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients I'm going to be using here. So the first ingredient here guys is our avocados, our lime, some onions, tomatoes, black pepper. Let me just bring it close so you guys can see. Some black pepper. This is what I will be using, and some salt. Apparently this is sea salt. Yeah, some sea salt and some cilantro. Yes guys, some cilantro, fresh cilantro. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here today, and please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button down below, and also do turn on your notification bell and watch this video to the very end. It really does help my channel. Please do not skip the ads as well. And to all my returning subscribers, one more can I say, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate the love and the support on this channel. I wouldn't have gotten here with you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, remember in the beginning of the video I said this is a collaboration video that I am making with Create with Chidex. So I want you guys to head on over to her channel. I will put a link to her channel in the description box down below. Please visit her channel and watch to see how she created this avocado cake. Yes guys, exactly what I made. She made it into a cake, everything edible. She's just super. She's amazing. She's an amazing baker with so much talent. Like I am always blown away by her gifts, by her talent. She creates whatever it is. Think about it guys, she would make it, she would turn it into a cake. Yes guys, no joke. So she actually made this guacamole and turned it into a cake, like a real cake. You wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. So please consider visiting her channel, show her some love, let her know you're from Nikki K's world. Okay guys, I would really do appreciate it. So you guys, do you love guacamole? I really do love guacamole. I know guacamole most times is used to eat like your bread. Sometimes you can eat it as it is. It's very healthy because it's, oh, look at all the ingredients. They are healthy ingredients. It has onions, tomatoes, lime, and you know, cilantro as well. Everything is so healthy. So do you guys love guacamole? I do love my guacamole guys, trust me. You can eat guacamole with some chips as well, corn chips. It is tasty, it is lovely. I love guacamole. You can have it with your burgers, that's your sandwich, like whatever, man. I just love it. It's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much. English is mostly hard for me. Thank you so much guys, I really do appreciate you, and don't forget to watch to the end. Enjoy, okay?